You? Okay.
Good?
Yep.
Start with me, old man.
Hump back. Green blue. Nice little progression trail, this one. So if you're a little less skilled on berms and jumps, you can come down Hump Back for a bit of practice. You can do these little jumps here if you want, or you can roll them. Little pump. Could have gone over that one. So doing all blind runs today, and so this one's unsighted for us as well. Little riser. Nice berm. Switch back. Switch back again. Ooh, big jump. Landings are pretty chill, so don't need to worry about dropping short. Ooh, could have gone over that one, a little gap. Another gap. Whoa! Dead sailor. What do you want to do? Look, fans yelling out.
Where are you going?
We're just talking to the fans. Good little progressing trail. You might have heard me say it once before. We're over at Mogo racing the last 2 days. We've just done a whole lot of trails here at Narooma. All the blind runs. First time down each trail pretty much. And you can find them on my channel and on my website, sportilium.com. Make sure you like and subscribe.